Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In the previous videos we started the learning designing NFA using parsing of रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन. अब इस वीडियो में हम पार्सिंग के प्रोसेस को मज़ीद समझने के लिए एक आध एग्जांपल और देखेंगे. नाउ वी विल गो थ्रू अनदर एग्जांपल टू अंडरस्टैंड मोर क्लियरली द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ पार्सिंग रेगुलर एक्सप्रेशन एंड देन डिज़ाइनिंग द NFAs. The given expression is AB or BA star or 1. Parse the given regular expression. If you parse it, we get slash on the right side 1, on the left side A B or B A star. Now again here is clean closure and here is slash. On the both sides of slash we have AB and BA, and this means there is a dot, so A B, there is a dot A B and A. So after parsing we get atomic or individual symbols A, B and 1 and a few operations applied on them. So first of all, NFA for atomic symbol A. I, A and F. Now this is given the number 1. NFA 1 recognizes an atomic symbol A. Also I, B, F. Now this recognizes the atomic symbol B for 1. We design another. So initial state connected to the final state with the transition carrying 1. So third NFA recognizes 1. Now we have drawn atomic symbols for all the atomic NFAs for all the atomic symbols A, B and 1. Now starting from here A, B, we have designed NFA for A and B. Now we combine these two, then we will go to BA. Now NFA for A, B. We know that I is connected to the next state generating A. Now the final state of NFA for A is merged with initial state of NFA for B, and final state of NFA for B becomes the final state for AB. So this number 4 recognizes AB. Also NFA for BA, I, B, final state of NFA for B is merged with initial state of NFA for A, and final state of NFA for A becomes the final state for BA. So fifth machine recognizes A, B. Now NFA for AB or BA AB or BA. So AB, this is A, B, BA, B, A, NFA number 4 and 5. Now from I, an empty transition is drawn to the initial state of AB, and also an empty transition is drawn to initial state of BA. Both are connected to the final state using empty transition. Now this NFA recognizes AB or BA. This is the sixth NFA. Now NFA for AB or BA clean closure whole star. NFA number 6 is initial empty transition A, B from I to B, an empty transition A, then there is a final state with empty transition. These are connected. Now this is A or B. We know that for clean closure we have to draw an empty transition from final to initial and from initial to final. Now this is 7th NFA that recognizes AB or B whole star. Now we have to draw the major NFA for AB or BA whole star are 1. So first of all, we have to draw 7th NFA A, B, B, A, now this is the part of the major NFA, so its final state will now not be the final state. Null or null. Now /1 means one. This is not the initial state, sorry. This is NFA number 7. This is NFA number 3. So now in the major NFA, an initial state I is drawn and there are empty transitions from I, and there is a final state F. So there are empty transitions. So now this number 8th NFA. This NFA now recognizes the regular expression AB or BA whole star or 1. This portion, the above portion from I, if we go to the above portion, this is for AB or BA whole star, and the second, this ट्रांजिशन, ये वाली जो ट्रांजिशन है ये R1 के लिए 1 को रिकग्नाइज करती है. सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल अबाउट द डिज़ाइनिंग ऑफ NFA by parsing regular expression. Please practice yourself, design some NFAs by parsing the regular expression. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.